In order to understand the development of vertebrate embryos, scientists have used several model organisms. So these are organisms that are easy to maintain in a lab setting and that have a standard developmental process that's really well understood. So we can figure out generalities about vertebrate development from these model organisms. Actually, the majority of what we know about development has come from model organisms. One of the most important model organisms has been the zebrafish, which is actually a fish, and their embryos have been used to investigate such interesting topics as the effects of inhibitors on development, the effects of alcohol on development, and where one stage begins and another stage ends during the process of development. Frog embryos have been instrumental in helping us understand blastula formation, causes of exciting things like two-headedness, and the control of the formation of the spine. Chick embryos have been helpful for us in learning about formation of the limbs and signaling molecules during embryonic development. Mice have lent us their toes to help us figure out how they form and how they're separated, and they help us to understand how cell fate is determined, or in other words, whether one cell is going to end up being part of a toe, or if it's going to be part of a liver cell or part of a brain cell, etc. And finally, one of the most interesting things about embryonic development is that now, because of the increase in the potential for space exploration, we are actually putting the medaka, which is an Asian relative of the zebrafish, into low-gravity environments to find out whether there are effects of low gravity on the development of the vertebrate embryo. So stay tuned to your science channel for more exciting information about that in the coming years, and be sure to check your supplementary readings for more information about the exploratory research on vertebrate embryos.